Okay, let me ask you a puzzle then. So tell me, imagine you have 9 coins. How many coins?
9.
9.
They look exactly similar. Okay,
Nine.
all 9 coins look very similar, exactly similar. Size is same, weight is same, everything is same. Okay, there are 9 coins that are exactly same. Okay, but one of them is lighter. So out of 9 coins, when you see those 9 coins, all 9 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, all are same. Only one of them, they look exactly similar, everything same, but one of them is lighter. Okay? There is one of them which is lighter. We don't know what is that, but I'm saying one of them is lighter coin. You understand lighter? Lighter means it's not heavier, it's lighter. Okay? Now you have a weighing machine. What is a weighing machine or weighing pan, whatever you call it as? What is the minimum number of weighings you need to decide the lighter coin?
2.
Okay, who said 2?
I did.
Arna, explain 2.
Sir, 2 times.
How? Explain.
Yes, sir. So here 8 coins are similar. So if one time we take one coin which is similar and the lighter one, then if we weigh 2 times, then only we can know that one is lighter.
So how many will you keep in, say let's assume I have right pan and left pan. How many will you put on right pan and how many will put on left pan?
Right pen 8 and left pen 1.
So if you put 8 on the right pan, anyways this will go down, right? The right one will go down. Anyways, 8 is heavier, it will anyways go down, na? How will you decide
So you
which
have
one
to
is?
take 4 at the left side and 5 at the right side with the including the right means the light one.
How do you know which one is the light one? You don't know. You have to decide which one is the light one.
Okay, lighter. So we have to remove
Wait. Priscilla, wait. Arna will explain. Arna, go ahead.
So in the first one, we can take 4 on the right side and 4 on the left side.
Brilliant. You will put 4 on the right side, 4 on the left side. Good. So what happens?
So if it's equal, we'll understand that
Very good.
the
Very
coin
good.
Is lighter.
Very good. One second, Arna. 1 second. You're doing good. Let me explain to the class what you're saying. What Arna is saying is she will put 4 in one pan, 4 in the other pan. If both are equal, she knows that the lighter coin is outside. Because there are 9 coins, she has put 4 here and 4 here. If both of them are equal, this 4 and this 4, the pans are equal. They're standing equal. That means the lighter one is the one that is left out. That's what Arna is saying. Very good, Arna. So what if this goes down?
So we can if the right side goes down.
If the right side goes down, yeah.
So we'll understand the left one as the coin.
Very good. So you know that. Very good. Brilliant. What Arna is saying is if the right one goes down, the lighter one is in the left hand. So what she will do is she will take those 4 coins. Now what do you do with those 4 coins, Arna?
We can actually do it one by one. We can take 4 coins and the coin which was left, we can take that and remove 1 coin.
So what? No, you said you can do it in 2 times. One weighing is over. You have put 4 and 4. You decided now you have arrived. 4 coins are left with you. Now what will you do with 4? Karthik is saying, sir, 2 in each. Brilliant. Karthik, very good. So now Karthik is saying, sir, I know 4. I have from 9. I know which 4 are there. From that 4, I'll put 2 here and 2 here. Very good. So what will happen, Karthik, after that?
We will get to know which set is the lower.
Very good. Brilliant. So you have 2 here and 2 here. If this goes down, you know it is here. If this goes down, you know it is here. Right? So so you will get to know 2 now. So from 4, you will become 2. So how many weighings are already done? 2 weighings are over and you're left with 2. When you're left with 2, you'll put 1 on the left, 1 on the right. If this goes up, here is the answer. If this goes up, here is the answer. So how many weighings do you require in this case?
3.
Very good. You require 3 weighings. The technique with which, so you have put 4 here and 4 here. So that is 1 weighing. You decided 1 set of 4. Then you put 2 here and 2 here. You got another set of weighing. And after that, you decided you are left with 2. You'll put 1 here and 1 here. That's 3rd weighing. So you'll require 3 weighings to decide. Is that the answer? What is the minimum number of weighings? Can you do it better than this? Yeah. So now, instead of putting 4 and 4, now let's do it this way. We will put 3 and 3. We'll put 3 here on one pan, 3 here on the other pan. We'll put 3 here and 3 here. If this goes up, here is the lighter one. If this goes up, here is the lighter one, because lighter means the rest of the 3 will go down, right? So if this goes up, here is the lighter one. If this goes up, here is the lighter one. If they are equal, where is it?
In the other 3 coins.
Brilliant. So if we have 9 coins, we'll take 3 sets of 9 coins. So if we take 3 sets of 9 coins, now basically you can decide from one weighing, you can decide where is that, in which 3, whether it is here, or whether it is here, or whether it is here. You'll get to know one of those 3 sets. Now in the second, now you know in which 3 the answer is there. Now from that 3, what I will do is, let's assume we have decided these 3 have come out. Okay, these 3 have come out. Here is the lighter one. I don't know where is the lighter one. This is the lighter one. So we have decided which 3 has lighter. Now from that 3, I'll put one coin on one pan, 1 coin on the other pan. Now, if this goes up, this one is the answer. If this goes up, here is the answer. If both are equal, where is the answer?
The 3rd one.
The 3rd one, the left out one.